Hey guys, how are you? Craig here from Out There Touring. So away again, and it's October long weekend. So I've been in contact and made some friends through Facebook with Solo Camp New South Wales, one of the groups, and they've arranged a trip out here to the Watagans. So we're at or near the Pines picnic area. So the picnic area is just down the road, 150 metres or so, and that's a no camping zone. It's just a day use. But as I said, we're out in the area just past the picnic area where you can camp. So we're going to set up here for 2 or 3 nights. At the moment there's no bushfires. It's no wood fires at all are allowed in New South Wales due to the current fire conditions and the heat. So we're just going to set up out here. I think there's 5 or 6 people coming. There's already a couple have set up already behind me, one in a mobile bus sort of setup. Actually, one of them's come out in a little Mazda MX-5, so you can get anything out here. Just drive to the conditions. The road's a little bit corrugated today. We came out a couple of weeks ago and checked it out and it was really good. It's a little bit rough today. So really don't have much planned for this one. Just going to try to enjoy it. It's been a few weeks since I've been out. This couple of days off work and actually going to kick back and try to enjoy this. Have a few drinks, meet some new people, have some laughs and just, yeah, a bit of fun. Morning guys, how are you? I've just woke up to this. The birds are going off in the background as I just woke up. Just blows me mind at how I feel like I could be a million miles from anywhere yet. Cooranbong's 15-20 minutes away, Newcastle's 45 minutes. I'm here with some friends from Facebook, as I said last night, from a Facebook group. They're set up behind me. The sun still hasn't come up over the top yet. I don't know, it's probably 5:30 in the morning. If you're not doing this, do yourself a favour and seriously get out there and just experience this. You don't have to come like to the Watagans. I'll show you a bit later. You don't need this sort of setup. One of the guys, he's got a bus, which you might have caught on some footage. Then the other 2, they've just turned up in their 2-wheel drives and pitched a tent for the night or for a couple of nights. So you don't need the elaborate setups. As long as you've got some way of just getting out here and just being part of it. People are starting to wake up now. It's near 7:30. So I thought I'd do the breakfast pizza for them. So I've got all the ingredients out. Now, as I mentioned last night, there's no fires allowed at the moment. So I'm going to try to do the breakfast pizza on the barbecue. See how it turns out. I won't do the whole cooking process for you, so I'll just tell you what I'm doing. Breakfast pizza done in the barbecue this time rather than over the fire. So breakfast is done. I cooked up the breakfast pizza. If you haven't seen it before, go back through my videos and you'll see, I think I called it the heart attack breakfast pizza. It's really good. Tasted really good. Got a few happy campers, so that's the main thing. So the facilities we've got here, I said the Pines picnic area, it is a day use area. There's car parking just 20 metres away from here, probably fit 5 or 6 cars in there. There's some more car parking just down between here and where we're camped, fit another 6-7 cars. It's an open space, beautiful trees. You've got picnic tables, there's a shelter down the back corner. You are allowed fires when there aren't fire bans, and further down there's 2 drop toilets. They're really clean, well maintained. As I said, it's just a beautiful open space. I'll go for a bit of a walk through here. The Pines Campground, Turpentine, Casarina, I think the other one is, and also the Pines picnic area. It's all part of the Olney State Forest out here at the Watagans. And just quickly looking, this board's just on the frogs that they've got here. And this is where we are on the map. And it looks like there's a walking trail that goes to the Pines camping area, which I'm going to guess is probably 500, 800 metres south of where we are at the moment. So I might get on that trail and see what we see. So from the Pines picnic area to the Pines campground, it's probably only a 10-minute walk maximum. So I've just done that little walk just to try to explore some areas. I've showed you a bit of footage of the walk. Just walked down to the campgrounds. As I said, it is a long weekend here in New South Wales, and the camping ground is full. There's people everywhere, which is great to see, people out enjoying themselves. As I've already said, I'm out here with a group of people that I'd never met before. I met one of them a few weeks ago, where she came up from Sydney to just have a look around the area and try to pick a camp spot for the group. A great experience, meeting people who have got the same interest and are easy to get along with. So I'd recommend to anybody, if you're on one of those groups, somebody organises an event, go out there and just enjoy it, meet some new people. Usually I come out here for like one night and it's a little bit rushed, even though I do manage to get out here and sort of freshen up a little bit, mentally I suppose. This experience of 2 or 3 nights, not being in a rush, can really notice the difference. No technology out here. If you really do need your phone, you can go for a drive and you'll find some reception. But the idea of just getting out here and recharging yourself, clearing your head a little bit, it's good for you. You need to do it. You don't have to come and camp out here even. There's lots of places. We're right next to one now, the picnic area. It's a day use. Just come out here and just be part of this. I've talked about it in the past where I've said, you don't need the setup like I've got. It's about being out here and just getting out here. So the people I'm with, 2 of them are in 4-person tents and one's in a Toyota Coaster van. So they're enjoying the experience as much as what I am, and I'm enjoying it as much as what they are. To get out here, you can go to Kmart for a couple of $100. You buy a tent, sleeping bag, a mattress, some cooking stuff, a little jet pilot or a little barbecue of some description. and you're out here enjoying this, go do it, guys. So I've talked about you don't need the flash truck and the flash canopy rooftop tent to be able to get out here and do this sort of thing. It's nice to have it, don't get me wrong, but I've talked about, you know, you can get out here with the kids or just yourself and be able to experience these locations with a swag or with a tent. So I'm just going to do a quick little walk around. As I said, solo camping at its easiest. Very uncomplicated, however, can still just get out here and really enjoy it. As far as cooking, just got a little gas burner, a couple of saucepans and fry pan, water that's in a container, to a tarp that acts as a mat before the tent, first aid equipment, pegs, gas bottles, air guard, just some necessities. You might need some toiletries. Kitchen setup, we've just got cutlery, plates, some dishwashing stuff, and just a few little things you might need for cooking. Esky, 4-man tent, and then a yoga mat and 2 soft underlays, I suppose, or some sort of mattress, and then just the sleeping bag. Outdoor gazebo and some lamps as well. Also there's and just a chair and a table. Got the sports car here. There's just sufficient clearance for it to get in here. And then the setup's much the same. A tent, a couple of eskies, got a few containers or bags with cooking needs and that. Also put up an annex above, and it wasn't so much for the car, it was for shade, but we went out a bit early today and it was a bit windy, so the car went under it just to protect it. Or you can go to this sort of setup, the coaster. Now this one's set up permanently for living off-road all the time, full time. It's got its full kitchen in there. It's got bedroom, showers, toilet, everything. Right guys, we're going to finish up the video there. It's early in the morning. Everyone's sort of packing up. I've pretty much packed up already. Just want to say a big thank you to everybody that's turned up here and allowing me to come along and join as well. So I really do appreciate that. As you're probably well aware, 90% of the time I'm out camping by myself. So to camp with a group and a group of people I've never met before, it was a really good experience. And yeah, I've made some new camping friends, and we're already arranging another trip in the future, and hopefully some more people from the group will come along as well and join us. Once again guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. There's more videos coming. Cheers guys, and travel safely.